Hey everyone, welcome back to Old Plastic. Today I'm going to do something a little bit different. Today is my first unboxing video. I was kind of lazy over the Thanksgiving weekend and I didn't make any videos. You know how it is, eating a bunch of good food, relaxing. So I had made a few purchases on eBay and they both arrived today. And I thought maybe some of my viewers might be curious as to what I'm purchasing on eBay. I'm not on Facebook, so unfortunately I don't have access to the Facebook Star Wars groups. So pretty much my only alternative is purchasing off of eBay. Anyways, I'm very happy that I got these two items and I thought I'd share it with you. I have not opened the boxes yet. All I did was cut the shipping addresses off the boxes. So I think we'll start with the large box on the bottom. Now, this item, I noticed the price on this item has been going up pretty crazy. 2 years ago, it was about half the price that it is now. So I thought I'd buy it now, even though it's not my typical item that I would buy. But I wanted to get it before the price goes up any higher on these. All right. See if you can see this. Oh, looks like they packed it pretty well. I was a little bit concerned when I saw that it was in such an old cardboard box. I'm really surprised that box survived the trip up here to Alaska. Let me see if I put you up on here. All right. Plenty of bubble wrap on this guy. That's good to see. Probably make out what it is already, huh? Now, I've never been into the large size Star Wars figures. This is my first ever, the large size or the 12-inch Star Wars figures. This is Luke Skywalker, and it is, you can see the UPC has been cut out of it, so the box was open on the bottom, but not on the top. And this is a minty fresh Luke Skywalker 12-inch. Now, I got him. I mean, he's never been out of the box. He has his lightsaber and grappling hook still sealed in the plastic bag. And he's just brilliant white, beautiful coloring. Now, I want to send him off to CAS to be graded outside of the box. Like, I'll have CAS pull him out of the box, have the box inside the acrylic case, and then have like Luke standing off to the side here, graded as a loose figure, and then his weapons like in the middle in the sealed plastic bag. So, but yeah, the price on these have been going nuts. Now, of course, you can buy dirty beaters of them fairly cheap, but yeah, I'll get you a good look of him. Oh, sorry about the glare, guys. Yeah. So he's going to be a great add to my Luke Skywalker collection. Let me see. Get a... Okay, there you can see the weapons bag right here. And Luke still has the straps on his leg holding them to the card. This is like a card insert. So he's still twisted in there. Now, I don't think I'm going to take him out right now. But I think he's going to grade out really well. Unfortunately, it's not a sealed box. I wish it was, but you know, those are already above $500, you know, if not higher. So I'm very happy to have him, and I'll have him graded loose with the box off to the side, like I said, so you can still look at the box. Fortunately, the box can't be graded because the, where is it? Aha, the UPC has been cut out, unfortunately. And it's got some old box tape on it too, which kind of sucks. But I got a really good deal on this on eBay. I don't know if any of you guys recognize that sticker there if you've been looking on eBay. Yeah, I think I got them for just over $200, I think. So, yep, very excited to have him in my collection. All right. And now, whoops, we'll open up the next box, which is this one here. Now, in this box, there's 4 items, and I was watching eBay and I saw them pop up. It was from the same seller. He had listed a large collection of Star Wars figures that are loose. Now, every figure that he had listed, it must have been about 20 or 30 figures. Every one of the figures that he was listing for sale were like card fresh, mint. And as soon as I saw that he had listed them for an auction with a buy it now option, and I picked all 4 of his Luke Skywalkers and did a buy it now, or I gave him an offer to buy those figures right away, and he accepted, and I got them before everybody else started to bid on them. Very excited about that. All right, let's have a look. Looks like he just used mailing bag. for packing. I guess they work good. Padded envelopes. Luke Brown. Luke Blonde. I wonder, I hope they're all in there. Let's have a look. Okay, there are 3 Luke Skywalkers in there. Blonde-haired Luke. And one brown hair. So I got 3 blonde-haired Luke Skywalkers and 1 brown-haired from this seller. Pretty excited. Now, I have all these figures, but like I said, they are absolutely card fresh, minty. So I'll open them up here as soon as I get this adjusted a little better. All right, so there's 1. There's 2. Here's 3. What the heck? Oh, he put the... Now that's clever. He put the lightsabers in upside down so that the tips wouldn't break. Very clever. I've never seen anybody do that before, but it makes a lot of sense. All right, let's take a look at this first Luke. Absolutely mint, card fresh. This is a 3-line. Look at that hair, perfect. And his lightsaber. Look at that. Beautiful. Sorry, I'm just putting his lightsaber in his arm. Oh, does this one have a... Yeah, they all have letters. This is, I believe, AA or VV. I can't really see. Yeah, it looks like AA, huh? So let me just shove this in here. All right. See that beautiful lightsaber? Beautiful Luke. Sorry, I should have had some better lighting out for you guys. But it's an unboxing. Next guy up. Another minty fresh yellow hair Luke. I think this lightsaber. Okay, this is a smile. It's a 2-line small copyright. And there is letters on this one too, but I can't, oh, it's HH on this lightsaber. All right. Beautiful tip on that. Look at that. I mean, these are absolutely card fresh. I can't believe I got them before the auction started. Now, I do have these figures in these colors, but I just couldn't resist bidding on them. They were, you know, so nice. So that's a 3-line and a 2-line small copyright. Next one. Another beautiful Luke, blonde hair. Let's see if there was something on this saber. I think this saber had like just a dot or something. I'm trying to, oh no, this has 2 letters as well. Oh, there it is, FF on this lightsaber. Oh, and this is a another 3-line copyright. Let me put his saber in. Look at that beautiful tip on there. I mean, these were never played with. No toe wear at all on these figures. They're just perfect. Will he stand though? I don't think this one's going to stand without a stand. No. All right, and last but not least, brown-haired Luke Skywalker, and he is absolutely beautiful. And yeah, I think that this lightsaber is the one that just has a dot. I can get it to focus. And this is a 2-line large copyright. Beautiful paint. Look at that hair. Man, he is perfect. I think I have to send all 4 of these out to be graded. I'm sure they'll all be 80 plus conservatively. You know, I thought that this one was a dark brown, but he's more of that gingery color. I mean, he's dark brown, but it looks a little more gingery than the really dark chocolate colored brown hair. Yeah, beautiful. So these are my latest purchases. These 4 Luke Skywalkers, and of course the 12-inch Luke Skywalker. So yeah, I think I won these on eBay about a week and a half ago, and they both arrived today. And I thought I'd do a little unboxing and show you guys what I'm buying behind the scenes. Alright everyone, I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing video today, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.